There's a new bridge going in at Calvert, so thought I'd come over here and have a look. The road's still closed. It has been for a while yet, so let's see if I can get a better view.